Hello, we're good taking our Maine Coon for a walk over here in Wenatchee, Washington. It's a beautiful day. I don't know if you can see the mountains behind you. Ready, Bobo? Bodhi had all his mats removed. I know his hair is way thinned down, but he feels really good. I don't know if you guys heard, but Bodhi rolled in ant poison that's non-toxic to animals, but it's sticky. And he got it all over his fur. And we got him wet and hosed him down, and then it just made mats. So we shaved off everywhere where it went. And the vet helped us too. Anyway, that person's done. Yeah. It's all mat free, feels good. Hello. It's going good. How are you?
Good.
This is
Nice
Bodhi.
way to handle this.
Yeah.
You spoiled or what?
Yeah, just a bit.
Just a tad.
Yeah, we're empty nesters.
Okay.
You too. You're our baby now. Yeah, you're our baby. What do you think, Bobo? Oh, you guys missed it. We had a couple girls come up and take their pictures with Bodhi. It'll be 9 months before his fur grows back. It can be forever. The lake is melty today. Sorry, there's a lot of rocks and salt on the road. And you can see we've got snow everywhere still. I moved to a real four-season town. Oh, Bobo. You want to get out and walk, Bobo? No. It looks like you want to walk. You're getting cold. Oh, look, your sweatshirt's falling all the way down your shoulders. Poor guy. Yeah, how I was doing it before was better. Alright, well, we'll fix that. I'm sorry. Well, Bodhi can't walk in that sweatshirt. It's all the way to his legs. Poor guy. And he's got his whole butt on both sides is bald, so he's just freeze out here. Let's go see Lily. Oh, let's go see the kitten Lily. Oh, and my front yard's full of dog shit. Damn kids. Where's Lily? Where's Lily? Hello, TikTok. There's Bobo. Let's see if Lily will come to the window. She's probably up on the wall somewhere. Yeah, you see her on the wall? That's Lily's room. She's in heat. So her and Bodhi can't be together. Lily! Lily! Lily sees me. She's such a cat. She ain't coming out for nothing. Alright, Lily's not coming out for nothing. Hey, Bodhi. Oh, Bobo. Mommy's really cold. I want to go back inside. Let's see, can you see his paws here? Look at those toes. Mega toes. Yeah, poor Bodhi. But he feels so good. He's running around like a kitten because his fur is feeling good. But boy, is it thin. Like, look, you can see through his fur. Look at it. I mean, that groomer really went to town. Yeah, it's totally see-through. There's nothing wrong with his mane. Oh, sorry, cat just took off on me. Wait, Bobo. Where you going? There's nothing over there. Why do you always want to go over here? He's so weird. No, I guess you can walk in that. I didn't think you could walk. Lily hasn't come to the window yet. Come on, Bodhi. Come on. It's a dead end. Bobo. Bodhi. It's a dead end. Let's go. Look at his sweatshirt. It's way down his legs. Like, it's horrible. Try to... It's a big drop off over here. Big hole you fall in. What? There's nothing down there. No ducks, no nothing. I don't want to be back here. I don't want to be back here. Why are you making me come back here? What? Yeah, it just drops. Like all the way down to the frozen lake. Yeah, I want to go all the way down there. Look at that. Ah. Hey, you. Okay, well, goodbye, guys. Thanks for stopping in.